What's up, guys? Today we're going to unbox new stuff for the new garage. So the door is open and cold because of the light. The light have issues. When I record on the screens, there will be lines, too many lines, and then it's black. I cannot fix it, the light. So when I open the door, it's better. And there is a light over here, Milwaukee light. That one's better. If that one's off, that one works, but it's to be dark inside. So I did open it and it's cold. I'm going to unbox new stuff for this garage. I have too many stuff, but I cannot open everything. But I'm going to open one thing for you guys, and then the next one will be different videos. But we're going to open it today, every one of them. Otherwise, we'll be have too many stuff to unbox. So I'm going to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have a question, right here down below. Enjoy the video. So here we go. Let us open it and see. This knife cut me off 20 times. This was not that one, but it's different thing. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, there's box and box. Alrighty, on this side is our lights. We have more lights, but you know, when you work on cars, different stuff. It is, I believe, I don't know how much it is. There it is, lights. You can pull it. It's not the battery one. The battery one is so annoying. They all die. So I don't want. I have battery ones. I guess I'm afraid, but I did unbox that one. If you didn't check it out, check it out. This one is that one. Let's put it on the floor. What is it? Already on the sides. I have no clue. What is this? Parking brake cable remover. What is it kind of? I don't remember what kind of it is. What is that? What is those? We have more stuff or no? Nope, it is just one. The box. Let me take. I know what this one is for sure. Let me take it out this one. First, let us do this one. This guy first. There it is inside. I think you can see it from here. Let's push this table down over here. So it looks like this. Not too bad. For now, we do have outlets. So I don't know about that part. It's magnetic, but not the whole way. It's LED. Hopefully it works on the camera, this one too. Otherwise we'll be much more annoyed. Look like this. When I assemble it, I'm going to show you more about this guy. It's made in China, obviously. But it is, I don't know how much, I don't remember how much was it. It's just a manual, and this one, put it on the I don't know where I'm going to, on the ceiling or on the wall. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. Alright, next one. Let's go next one. Okay, next one, it is, I don't know, parking something? That's what it is inside. Alrighty, here we are. Alrighty. It is for the valves, this one. When you work on valves, big and small. And then what it is? That is for piston ring, when you work on pistons. I got good deals on this one. I search internet, all of them. It is good deal, very good deal. If you want to buy this kind of stuff, it is super cheap, especially this one, the big box. I got it from Tools Discount. They're so cheap, so get it from them. They're so cheap. This one, it is, it's very cheap, this one. So I got it for one, I believe 120 something. You know what it is? I guess you know now. It is over here. There it is. Let me bring it out. The whole thing's better that way. It is oil bucket to used oil. On internet, used one I saw almost the same price. Not the same price, but it's better to buy newer one. When I work on my old dealership, They have this kind of stuff. Here it is. It is, yeah. But on other place it is almost 200 or more than 200. On Amazon you can find it's already out of stock. So I have to bolt it in on here side. Over here, that legs. Here it is. This one is better quality, I believe. So let us put the wheels. And other place this thing is expensive. I saw almost $200 one place. Somehow I found this one. But yeah. Okay, this one let us close it now, but you don't need to close it. Let us do that. Manuals, we don't need that. There's more. So it is Phillips. There's 4 tires and the bolts. Let us bring some Phillips and then let us bolt it in. Then bring some tools. Alright guys, now let us put this. Okay, it'll be hard. I have to hold it. Oh come on, don't turn. So annoying. I don't know. Harbor Freight have this kind of stuff. If they have it, I don't like it too, because maybe it's big. I don't want big. I want small like this. They have bigger than this one, but I want that one. To drain it to be harder. Okay, just like this. Alright guys, all done. Now I'm going to put over here. Over there, which one's going? This guy is going first. This guy, and where's this guy? This guy and this guy. I don't want to put all the way in. I think it's enough. Maybe go up a little bit. Alright, I think so. Right here's good. Going to do this. Take time. See? Right. So I have to bring it from the table down, and I'm going to do it from here. So I'm going to add this guy here, but we have to put this one in. This guy. The only one way. Like this. Put it in. Nope. Like this. And I'm going to hold like this, and I'm going to put her back over here. Insert her like this. And then there's on the top one. Let me bring it more for you guys to see. But this thing, I don't know. I have to bolt it in or what? Yeah, there is screw for this one, but I don't find any screws. I think there's screw all the way in. I have to bring it out. Okay, see it out. Okay, there's a hole over here. This one. Let's put it back. So we have to bolt in this one. But I didn't see any screws. Oh, okay, there is a small screw. I don't see her. It's too small. So don't lose her to the same time. So I'm going to bolt it on the red one. Let me try to show it to you, or move this table and show it to you. Down here. I'm going to put it down here, around here. That is Phillips. Without that, this thing going to drop. Alrighty, nice and snug. And then I have something over here. They will give you together when you buy it. Or no, I don't know. I think you have to buy it from them. I think I don't remember. This black thing down here. This one. Hey, this one's made in USA. That one's made in China, I believe. I think so. Not sure. Oh yeah, look like this. Yeah, I think we all done. And then I have something to put up here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am assembled this one. Going to use this so badly on this one. If you want upgrade it, to going to upgrade it to another one. There's another one too expensive. I saw. I like it, but it's very expensive. I saw it almost 3 grand or more than. But I like it. When you drain oil, you're going to measure the oil. I like that one so bad. It's very nice, but it's expensive. Maybe 2 or 3 grand. I don't want to buy. It is made in Turkish. I saw it on TikTok and I want to buy it, but it is expensive. But I like it. Maybe in the future we're going to buy it. Who knows? If you want to measure it your oil, maybe if you want to measure your transmission oil, I like that one. But never mind. You're going to do the regular way. So there's more coming for this garage. Only 5% left. The floor we're going to paint, but I don't know decide yet. But for that one, so yeah. So the light's going to replace very soon. I have one box to unbox. I have two boxes, but I'm going to unbox one because I have to buy for one of it something. I don't want to spoil it on this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's more video coming up. There's on this car too. It is, I think I post one video for this car. It is the S2000, the Honda one. It's here, something broke on this car, so I don't want to spoil that one too. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, subscribe. If you are new, subscribe to this channel. There's big coming on this garage. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, bye.